Hello friends, welcome to my channel Beautiful I'm BRISTI'S. So today I'm gonna introduce my little pet. Her name is Roy. Let's see him. Hey, Roy, say hello. My favorite pets ever after I had. Okay, let's free him. Oh, right. She's my new pet. I have two poultry puppies. They were giving some eggs and Roy was born. So we ship tomorrow Roy in her new home, means her new cage, and now we are gonna free him in our room, our house. She's gonna free run and flying. She's hard to flying, but she knows how. But she don't knows how to fly. Roy, baby Roy. She's a baby because her tail is very small. Let's see her tail and her hair. Baby Roy, my dear little budgie pet, budgie Roy. Roy. So today that's all. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Make sure subscribe and like and click the bell icon and all press so find my new videos. Okay, so say Roy, say bye. Bye. Let's bye friends.